Melbourne family is looking for justice after they say their father suffered serious and permanent injuries trying to break up a fight at a restaurant. The newly filed lawsuit says those injuries eventually led to his death. West 2's Brevard County reporter Megan Moriarty explains where that case stands.
63-year-old Mark Senti was a grandfather, father of 4, and husband. The CEO and co-founder of Advanced Magnet Lab was described as a respected business owner in Brevard County for over 30 years.
He couldn't stay still, so he was always busy, always fixing things, building things.
But his family says his life changed on May 6, 2024. This is video from that night at a restaurant in Melbourne. The video shows a fight breaking out between two men. Mark Senti is in the white collared shirt. His son says he was trying to tell the two men to leave. That's when this happens.
Very difficult to watch the video. It's very difficult to not want to have been there to protect him.
Mark went to the hospital and was told he was suffering from a brain bleed.
As a result of that brain bleed, he developed a seizure disorder. And he had his first grand mal seizure, like Wade said, in September, and he was battling with that. The hope was that he was going to recover and it was going to get better.
Former state attorney's office prosecutor Alex Moya is representing the Senti family. Unfortunately, in January of 2025, Mark was found dead at the marina where he docked his boat many times. Moya says the medical examiner ruled Mark's death a drowning, but says they couldn't rule out traumatic seizure disorder.
So throughout 24, we were waiting for an arrest to happen, and we were confident in the legal system that the process was happening. And then unfortunately in January, Mark passed, and we again started asking, well, where are the formal charges for the battery that had originally occurred in May? And come to find out that process had not been followed through with.
The Senti family says that they trusted the legal process, which is why they waited to file this lawsuit. They said that once they learned the state attorney's office wasn't pursuing charges, they asked them to take a second look. In a statement to the Senti family, the state attorney's office said in part, "Our review also found that a lesser charge, such as battery, would be difficult to prove," adding that Mr. Senti inserted himself into the altercation at the bar, giving potential defendants a plausible claim of self-defense.
He was assaulted, and you need to be able to handle that appropriately, which is why he pressed charges, and we also retain an attorney, because we don't want this to happen to somebody else.
This month, the family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the restaurant and the men in the video. We aren't naming them or showing them because they haven't been formally charged. The family is also hoping that on the criminal side, the charges will be pressed in the initial incident on May 6. Covering Brevard County, Megan Moriarty, West 2 News.